Welcome to G&T's. I'm going to show you how to make these low sugar date bars. Continue watching and please subscribe. Using dried dates, if you are using fresh ones, just skip this process. I've got water boiling. It has boiled, so I'll pour it and soak for like 10 minutes. It's a bit soft. I've started removing the seed or the pit. I'm going to chop it into smaller, tiny pieces. Put it in a pot. Add about a cup of water and cook till it forms a not too thick paste. As it cools, it becomes thicker. Mash and set it aside to cool. Soften the margarine in a bowl. Add the oats. Brown sugar goes in. Flour, baking soda, and the salts. Mix together. It should be crumbly. This is crumbly enough. Grease the baking paper. I've cut it this way so it will be easy to lift out. This is the crumbly mixture. The dates too has completely cooled down. What I'm going to do now is to make a layer of the crumbly mixture. I'll pack it and press it down. Next is the dates. I'm going to spread it on top. Pour the remaining crumbly mixture. Lightly put it on top. Don't press it. Bake for 30 minutes or till done. While warm, cut into squares.